Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I prepare my tasty no grill gizzard kebabs. I take this with me anytime I'm invited to a program, and I promise you it was always a hit. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I have here with me my vegetable oil, 1 kg of gizzards, curry powder, salt, shrimp tablet, and then nutmeg powder. I also have some pieces of garlic, green chili peppers, 1 green bell pepper, 2 large red onions, lemon, a thumb size of ginger, and then of course my bamboo sticks. So in goes my gizzard. I'm drizzling some lemon juice in here. I will cook it in the lemon water for some time and then pour it away. I do this to take away that raw smell from the gizzards. So here I've cut up my green bell peppers and 1 red onion for threading the kebab. And this is my blended up ingredients, which contains the chili peppers, garlic, ginger and onion. The gizzards are boiled for some minutes. I'm pouring out the lemon water. And then in goes my blended up ingredients. I'm adding my spices now, the nutmeg powder, the curry, and then some salt to taste. So I'm going to add in some water and then leave to boil for some time. So as you can see, the water is all dried up and my gizzards are ready. I'm transferring it into a bowl to cool down. Then we begin the threading process. So here I put on the bamboo stick 1 gizzard, 1 onion, 1 green bell peppers, and then repeat the process over again. So voila, I'm done with my party pleasing no grill gizzard kebabs. Just take a look at this deliciousness. I know you'll definitely try this. Let me know in the comment section how it goes, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.